The idea behind Rise and Skate is about setting an intention, connecting joy with action, getting up early before the day begins, and starting your day with a positive action, a positive movement. Invoking the spirit of hope and unity to power and empower us throughout the day. This is bigger than just one day. This is bigger than just one singular moment. But we start here and now. We invite you to join us, no matter where you are in the world, to rise and skate with a friend, alone, or with a group. Together or apart, we skate united and amplify our actions and inspire our community towards continued action, love, and growth together. Let's rise and skate.